Hey, welcome guys. So in this tutorial of Solidworks we are going to see that how can you make cams in Solidworks. So it's very easy. So what you need to follow my steps which I'm going to show you. So go to file, click on new and go to part file. So we are making an part file for the cam. So now as you know that cam has dwell, rise, fall, all these things. So yeah, I hope you better go through all these basics of cam. Okay, so now to make the cam in the SolidWorks, click on this SolidWorks adds in. So now if you uncheck this, so it will look like this, like you have this options in the SolidWorks adds in. So now you can see that there is a SolidWorks toolbox. Click on this. If you click on this SolidWorks toolbox, you will get some options. It's taking some time. Okay, so now you got these options on the right side, like you have beam calculator, bearing calculator, grooves, structural steel and cams. So now click on the cam. So you will get this dialog box, which is a circular setup tab. Like through this you can make the cam in SolidWorks very easily. So now you have to give the properties for the cam. So units you can give inch, whatever you have, circular or linear, so like this. Then you have follower type, which is translating, offset, swing right. So we are going for the basic one, translating. Follower diameter as per your requirement. So then I give 0.5. Starting radius, let's say I give 2, and direction is clockwise or counterclockwise. Starting angle is 0 degree. Okay, so that has been done. Now go to motion. In this motion, if you click on the list, you can see that you have something like this. So you have to select that. In the setup also you can select the sample, like metric, inch, circular, metric, linear. So if you click on this, just click on load, so you will get all these thing if you load that. So list, go to ANSI linear, inch linear, load it, you will get this thing. So it depends on what you want to do. Okay, so again I have to do this. So circular, translating, follower type, follower diameter, let's say 0.5. Starting radius, let's say 2. Starting angle 0. Rotation direction clockwise. Okay, so now that's the setup. Go to motion. So you can see that you have this default motion, but we don't want this, so click on remove all, and now we will add the motion as per our requirement. So click on this add. So if you click on add, now you can see the motion type. So let's say harmonic for first, and let's say the radius it will reach is 2.5, and then degree of motion, let's say it will go, it will move, it will give the harmonic motion for 90 degree. Okay, then click on add. So let's say it will dwell for 180 degree, and then again let's say add. Again let's say it will go for harmonic motion. Let's say ending radius is the same as the previous one, and let's say it will go for 45 degree, and it will dwell again for the remaining. So now you can see that the total angle is 360 degree, so it's closed. So as you know, there are three types of cams, like closed, then you have open, and then you have which has degree more than 360. So based on all these 3 degrees you can define the cam as per your requirement. So like open, closed and wrapped cam. So this is the closed one. Okay, so that has been done, motion has been done. Now go to creation. And here you will give the some properties for that cam. So let's say the blank outside diameter is 10 and thickness is 1. So to define the hub, you can define from over here 2.2 far hub diameter, then blank fillet chamfer, radius, through hole, through. So like you can define the track type and make it angular increment or chordal tolerance, track surface we go for inner, and then if after you finish this, click on create. If you click on create, you will get the cam which you have defined like this. So in this way you can create a cam in SolidWorks very easily. So let's go for top plane, go to normal, and now you can see you have defined the cam as per the requirement. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and you can modify some of the properties, which is like providing the spring, making the uh, making the hub. So hub is already there, but the length, then the threaded hole in the hub, and then the keyway, you can make keyway. So you can do, and you can watch my previous video in which I went through all these small things for each of the parts. So I hope this video will be helpful. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.